So now you can see I took this portion off to start with. And now you're going to take the throttle cable off, and this just pops right off. Really easy. You know, just a little ball joint. Pull that aside. So now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take apart all the vacuum lines right here. So all goes to the same thing, so it doesn't matter what order they go into. They just remember they go to this section. So if you want, I would, when I first was working on this truck, I labeled everything. I would put tape on them, 1 1 1 1 1 1, you know, 1 1 2 2, you know, 3 3. Now I labeled everything when I took it all apart, but now I've kind of done it too many times, so I'm not going to do that. But if you're new at it, I would start with labeling everything that you take apart. So I'm going to take all these off, pull them aside, disconnect the vacuum line right there, pull it aside, and the EGR, we got to take apart the EGR right there. Take this guy off, and then take this guy off to, you know, loosen the bolts, take them off. The EGR goes up and around right here, but it goes through this, so that's why we got to go on the bottom and loosen that EGR from the bottom so we can free this whole section and pull it up and down. But yeah, and we can take it off, take this section, little guy off too, right there. And unfortunately I can't hold a camera while we do this, so I'll see you once I get it all apart. Thanks, bye.